We back, bitches, but we never left though.
Guys, rolling.
What
do you want?
Bottom boys worldwide.
Party!
I want it that way. Tell me why you ain't nothing but a town way. Tell me why you ain't nothing but a towning. Come down the town, eh?
Yeah, it's nice. What? What the fuck? We dropped one episode this month.
Yeah.
What the
With the
fuck?
chocolates. Guys, you know my boys are bottom boys. If I say to the guys now, say screensaver, say what's up.
What? Somebody said, guys, in the last episode we didn't have a hottie of the week, and one of you is trolling us. Saying,
Wow!
Since all the boys say what's up in a relationship, now suddenly we don't. Guys,
We're the chocolates, and it's not that deep. It's like, I
yeah,
mean,
everyone just needs to come the fuck down.
chill out. We just decided for 1 week. We're not gonna
Here's my screensaver.
You held it on for too long. You're supposed to just splash it.
I want them to see.
You guys are the
Bottom boy.
Welcome to an episode of
Bottom
Boys.
We are the bottom boys.
Nope. You guys need to come.
You guys bottoms, what?
What's up? You know who I am? I go by the name Brad Pitts. Because I've clearly touched the pits. This is Dwayne the Rock Bottom. And he is a SpongeBob's neighbor, and he lives in Bikini Bottom.
Oh my goodness.
We're back with another episode. It's a big one. It's
6-0.
We've been doing it for 60 motherfucking episode. It's gonna be amazing. It's going to be jam-packed.
Technically, you know, guys, technically this is season 6.
Not really.
If you go 10 an episode, like your favorite series,
Season 2.
I'm just saying, technically, how many of your favorite shows have 60 episodes?
Yeah, you don't even know. They've been cancelled.
How many of your favorite shows have 60 episodes,
60
guys?
episodes of just 60 episodes of just.
We just keep going and going and going, and all we do is bring
Absolutely.
our Spaga. Take us to the top.
Hit it with it. Hit it with it.
Well,
Okay.
welcome to it. It's been a lot happening in the country.
So much is happening. You know. So say what's up.
When you say you solve one problem,
say
another
what's
one
up.
say ah.
They say
You
what's
say
up.
Munati, you say
Oh,
whoa.
now we're all entangled. All of us.
And I know the World Cup has been happening.
Yeah.
Kumnandi, I guess a little
Enjoying.
bit. What they were
My team
enjoying.
just got kicked out
But
today.
the dribbling on the pitch is not the one that has gripped the nation. It is rather the dribbling off it
Yo.
that has taken center stage.
So the other day I decided, you know what, let me post a tweet. And because I wanted to find out, you know, when you got into dark space, how did it happen? So I was like, how did you know you're getting dribbled? Have you ever been dribbled, bro?
But it's spray too. But hey, baby,
Well, how did you
Sha.
want to find out you're
She
getting
drops her shoulder and sends you to the left.
dribbled? You're like, whoa. You're like, whoa, dizzy.
I thought we were in love.
How did you find out you're getting dribbled?
She simply changed the BBM surname to her new boyfriend.
She's like, no, man.
I'm like, no, baby, but I bought you this BlackBerry. Why are you?
Oh, you bought the BlackBerry.
And then it was from her name Gonyama to her name other surname.
And she's like, but baby, it's not your.
I'm like, no, but that's not your surname. I'm like, but you know, babe, these people are trying to make fun of you. Okay, it's working.
I don't know.
Whoa.
Next thing.
Whoa. Amazing. I think you need, after this one, you need to put like someone dribbling. A Ronaldinho chip, just for the culture.
That's a chip.
It's like, wow! After I tweeted this tweet, I realized that we're not the only ones in a dark place. Please show us one of the tweets, please. Show us actually a few of the tweets. Oh,
I was told I was crazy and insecure when I spoke up about being suspicious about a particular girl, and then I found evidence on his phone that confirmed my suspicion. How people are getting busted via phones is beyond me. Some girl found her guy. Yes, she was really on Facebook, and the one time I was bored, I decided to go log in. I saw a pic. He was tagged in caption, "Love lives here."
Yeah, okay.
He was with Mogal. Yeah. I confronted him and he told me I should quit varsity and go to the SAPS because I'm being a detective. Attended the same bra as him, but he came with his girl and pretended like he doesn't know me.
You even said nice to meet you and introduced.
Oh!
Imagine you're beating the chicks last night. You're like, yo,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey. Hi.
I know Oaks who like, baby, I need you to come with me this weekend. I'm going home. Né? When she gets there, he's taking out Lobola for his actual girl.
Oh.
And he said, be cool. What do you do in that situation?
You can't do nothing.
Be cool.
Oh
baby.
no, but
I'm here to
talking about that.
Let's go to that wedding surprise video.
Oh my God. And guys, also what I'd like to tell you guys now is about being dribbled. They teach you this when you start playing soccer. Don't watch the feet. Don't watch the feet. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. The ball is there.
I don't want to be free.
Yo.
She said, we're getting married, right? We're getting married, right, boo-boo, forever and ever?
Okay, so
together.
Okay, look, I'm not stressed about that.
Oh, look at the wife just chilling, like, no, not today. Oh,
no,
shame,
my
man.
dream day. My question is simple. You
and she's coming to the front.
Yeah,
like, excuse me.
Yeah, no.
Excuse me.
This is my place also. We're together in this. We're going down together.
Homeboy's trying to the damage control. He has to do that.
No, that's what I wanted to ask you now. Now let's say I'm getting married, right?
Yeah.
Me there?
Yeah.
What's up?
Larry's getting married.
Yeah. Now you guys are there next to me.
It's going to rain. It's going to rain Fanta orange.
Now you guys are standing next to me,
Yeah.
right? Best man, what's up, best man? What's up? What's up?
What's going on?
Yeah. Then what's up? I'm standing here with my wife. What's up? What's your reaction?
Me, I'm just gonna be.
As soon as I say I'm going for him,
What do you mean?
I'm going for
Okay,
him.
no, I'll hold his hand. Like, okay, you marry me. Let him get married there, then you'll marry me. I'm also ready with the suit. So,
Niggas ain't shit.
no, I'm saying real nigga.
Okay, yeah, okay.
That's some real nigga shit. Bury
It's a
them
girl.
both.
You remember
Bury
saying-
them both. Bury them both. Bury them both. You gotta hold them like that. I do.
No way. No way. No ways.
Only heels.
No ways. No ways. You
Go
know,
to the beach, but I mean, why not come with the little je ne sais quoi?
no ways. I don't get it. I don't come it. You know, sometimes I sleep. You know, they used to say you must sleep with your shoes so that when you're in your dreams.
When you get,
But this one, when you're in your dreams.
when you get up, you just go.
Yeah, no, also in your dreams you must impress, you know. So sometimes
What?
I sleep with my Gucci sneaker and I say, what's up? Because you know they say.
Remember when you're a kid and you're that one favorite item?
He's not joking.
Yeah, I'm not. That's the thing. I'm not joking. You know, sometimes you
Sleep
go-
with your swag.
Yeah, you know,
So
sometimes-
you slay even in your dreams.
Yeah, you slay in your dreams.
Don't
Nigga, you know-
ever slip. Don't ever catch them slip. Let them catch you slipping.
Yeah.
While you sleep.
Yes. You know what I'm saying?
Sleep with your swag, son.
Sleep with your swag, nigga. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna wear a blazer today.
Why?
That's why you go out the summers.
Yeah, why? Why you don't wear a blazer? Who you not impressed?
Taking Edgar's to bed with you. One hour Edgar's. Put the account to 200. Put the account to Edgar's. Anyways, this little girl says this is how she reads AKA's tweets every time. Let's go.
Too much Twitter is bad for your health. Sometimes it can feel like high school or something where you want everybody to like you. Fortunately, I never cared much about being popular. You shouldn't either.
That was the last thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, now you have to go open up AKA's random tweets so we can also read it.
Oh! This is easily one of the best tweets I've seen in a
In a
very,
very, very long time. How many retweets that thing get? I hope it went super viral. Oh, at least.
It's
Go to something lengthy.
yeah.
While I was performing,
Yeah, go,
I saw a little girl dancing and singing along to everything.
I pulled her up on stage and jammed with her.
This is why God has given me my gift to make people happy.
This is the type of thing I live for.
scene.
Every
Okay.
time I try to down on you, sweet baby.
Oh, okay, no, big up to AKA on going gold in 1 week.
In 1
man.
week.
That's,
Yeah,
that's,
that's dope, man.
insane.
That's dope,
insanity,
man.
big up, man. You know,
Life for
can we
everything.
get you as a guest now?
How was Onyx last night?
I don't know who Sia Kolisi is. He's the new Springbok captain.
Yeah,
Our
big
first
up.
black captain.
Black, what's
so
up?
shout out to Sia Kolisi. They just won the series just now.
What's up?
Springboks out there. What's up? What's up?
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
dope. Springboks are doing well. But behind closed doors, it seems something is afoot.
She's stretching hands.
Some girl was simply said, Sia Kolisi looks like a type.
Yeah, could be. It could be my type. It could be your type.
He's a
he's a type.
good looking man.
He's a type.
He looks like a type. She says he's not a type. He's a married man responsible for 4 children.
You know
What?
You know what I just realized?
The girl said, yo, this is Sia Kolisi's wife. She's a white
Rachel,
lady.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah, Rachel.
Rach.
Can I tell you something? What I just realized is that because Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Rachel, Ned. And,
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. So what I realized was that the whole time I read this tweet as seems like my type. She said like a type. She said like a type.
A type. He's innocent tweet. First of all, obviously you're dating the fucking captain of the country.
Yeah. People are gonna
Married. Yeah, he's the captain.
And he's got 4
So
children.
obviously, people are gonna admire him in all different types of ways.
Yeah.
The way that he looks, whatever. Just like
Yeah.
people admire all types of celebrities.
Yeah, that happens all the time.
Her response to this, girls, especially other girls, said no ways. No, but the bench, you know.
Respect my relationship. Oh my God, respect my relationship.
They said net for dieting. Yeah, no, I can't wait until I take to them.
Yeah,
But the girls are saying, okay, forget
Yeah.
it.
Did you see what she
I
said?
was just gonna say he's a type, but you can see another year out here.
Itipe. Someone said itipe.
It's a pair.
Itipe.
But you know, also girls are also foul, dog.
Hey man, girls went in, boy.
Girls are sending memes like this.
Salah is a type.
Salayo is a type. Oh, no way.
Rachel wasn't ready. Sia got home, back from practice yesterday. Walked into the house. Nelson Mandela. Nelson. That's how Sia Kolisi. I mean, that's how you roll.
Baby,
Fucking the car.
What's the
Nelson
kid? What's the kid?
Mandela. But yeah, baby, let me get the baby.
Let me get the...
Over here, baby. Baby me. Baby me. Baby, over here.
Right flank.
Baby me. No, the daughter, the small one. Baby me. Let me get the baby. And then she's cooking with one hand, holding the baby like this. She's obviously cooking umpoko.
Yeah.
Because obviously she has what she has about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, she's here.
Yeah.
She said Jonga. Because obviously she speaks Zulu. I mean,
Yeah.
how's that now?
Yeah.
You know?
But hi, type.
Hi,
I thought you was greeted when you got home. But hi, type.
You don't go pay.
I don't go. It's a baby me, you know? Type.
type.
There's any type. Hi, type. I see people's types. Let me tell you where this comes from. Obviously, there's a problem.
Yeah.
There's a problem, yeah. That she was triggered by that tweet.
Yeah.
Because there's no tweet that deserved a response. There was nothing wrong with that tweet.
Yeah.
But there is something wrong.
Also, don't be out here showing your insecurities,
Oh.
man. You know, guys, let me tell you.
Don't
guys,
ever let them see
let
you
me tell you
suffer.
something. Let me tell you something for free.
Okay.
Never let them see your insecurities.
Never
They
let
will-
them see you sweat.
They will push on it. They will just say, "What's up? What's up? And I'm telling you now, this is not the end of it. Right now, there's girls waiting. They're just waiting there whenever the Springboks come. Yes.
Now she's gonna be calling her out in public. Yes. Where's your type?
Where's your responsible?
Where's your type?
Where's your responsible married husband?
That's has to put up with this shit at home when he's chilling with these boys. But hey, 10 years old is responsible father of 4. Responsible father of 4.
Niggas will always find a way.
Responsible father of 4. Family time. Our family man.
I don't even know how to introduce this topic, but I would say that I am the most petty person I know.
Yeah. Why?
No, I'm just extremely petty. I'm like if petty Olympics went through, I'd say what's up with the bronze.
Oh, would you win?
Yeah. But this guy would take a gold.
So there's this Japanese guy who hasn't spoken to his wife in 20 years because she upset him.
Yeah. And he couldn't just say.
It's been a difficult 20 years.
He never spoken.
What do you want to eat?
You know how you know this guy's very, you know how you,
This
Why do I want to eat food?
You know this guy's super petty. You know he's super petty. You couldn't say I want a divorce.
So petty, you don't leave.
He's got a disease. He's got a small disease. Something wrong.
Something's wrong with this guy.
Something wrong.
Something wrong. Something wrong. That's his name. That should drive you to the break.
Have signals for what you want if you're married to someone. No.
Sex time.
I want sex. Okay, I want food.
2 6. When you're
Yeah.
2 6. 2 6.
Where's the toilet paper?
But no, come here, the sex is quiet.
That's great. No one is consented.
Where is this guy? This guy is my hero. Another one from Petty Olympics. On this girl's birthday. Oh, no way.
Oh.
On
I
her
think I
birthday.
saw this. I think I saw
This guy is the master of Petty Olympics. Watch this.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
You ready?
Happy birthday, baby.
That's a process.
Look at that ass, girl.
Good too.
Hey, baby, thank you so much. You got me, though. Go take it off.
Hold on. There you go. Surprise, baby. Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
You pack my things?
Hell yeah, Hubert. You been cheating on me with Hubert.
He's just a
Yeah,
friend.
nah, he ain't no friend.
You really want to do
Nah,
this
he
on
ain't
my
no friend. I
birthday?
don't give a damn about your birthday. You been cheating on me with a dude named Hubert. I be damned. Pick up your stuff. It's already packed. Get your stuff and get the hell out my house.
Woo!
Cheating on me with a dude named Hubert. Get the hell out my house.
Oh! Oh!
This nigga ripped.
Oh!
This nigga is hurt, boy.
This is
But he composed himself. First of all, he's hurt, but he had to compose himself.
yeah.
Like, okay, I gotta do this thing right.
And he was even speaking so nicely, like,
Yeah, come on, baby.
Baby, you look
Yeah,
so
you know,
damn beautiful.
You look so beautiful. Look at that ass. Whose birthday is it? It's your
your
birthday.
birthday.
Whose birthday is it? It's your birthday. I take you like you've been cheating with Hugo. Get the hell out my house. Your shit is packed. And she's like, you really want to do this on my birthday? I don't give a fuck about your birthday. Are you kidding me?
I don't give a flag.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
You cheat on me, but you.
You think I give a shit about your birthday? You really want to do this on my birthday?
He's just
Bitch.
a friend. No, he's just. Oh!
He ain't no friend. You know you cheating. I pack our stuff nicely. I put it in the black plastic
Yo,
bag.
the way you packed it,
And then I put it in a bowl. I put
And
a bowl on the
she was
black
even
plastic
like,
bag.
I think it even took her a second because like
Do you pack my stuff?
she's like, what?
She's like, you pack.
She didn't even recognize her own stuff because it was packed so nicely. Did you pack my stuff? Yeah. And you know the first is nice. Then he said, you've been cheating on me and a nigga called you, go get out. So you guys just a friend. Yo!
No, he ain't no
You really
friend.
gonna do this on my birthday? Hey! Fuck your birthday, man!
That's where he killed me.
You know how much composure it takes as a man
a king,
to
bro.
look at your hand.
He's a
knowing,
king. I would do that.
Babe, you're cheating on me, right? You're cheating on me, but I'm gonna wait. I'm
would
gonna give
do
it to the
that.
right time. Your birthday is coming up, so I'm gonna wait for your birthday.
I would do that.
You do that?
Yeah.
I don't have the composure to
I once broke up with a girl on our anniversary.
What's the pettiest thing you've done? When did you break up with someone?
Talk that bitch.
Oh yeah, no, I've had like things where like maybe I say what's up and then the girl comes back to me, right? And I say what's up, then I call the nigga, I'm like, yo, your girlfriend's asleep, man. Our girlfriend is asleep. Our girlfriend is sleeping right now. She'll call you back a bit later. Okay, MicroWave Boys episode 60 Honey of the Week goes to Mbali MKH _. Yes. Can I tell you guys, I recently met this girl, eh?
Okay.
By the way,
Alright.
yeah, I met her. She's so friendly. She was like, "You guys are doing amazing things." It's actually weird that we chose it today because she was like, "Oh my god, I love your show," and we think that she's our honey of the week. It's like Grant,
Bali is a makeup artist.
and she likes pink. Boy, I tell you, you know, like when girls make their lips pout like that. Is it the
Yeah.
makeup or is it them?
Like she pouting.
I don't think she's pouting.
Nah.
No, she's not. She wasn't pouting. She
But
says,
yo, guys, in terms of this girl's whole clique, in terms of her whole clique, yo, there are a lot.
okay, they call themselves the Huns.
The hands. Hey guys, we need to go by the hands.
Oh, I would never show on my baba.
Yeah, but she's one of those that's only got herself on the page. Only her. No friends, no nothing.
Yeah, sometimes the friends don't mention the aesthetic. You just gotta say what's up. Friends hit them with that tweet pic.
Yo,
I know, I shame. Yo, I usebenzi lombali shame.
Yeah, no.
Usebenzi.
You guys are commenting differently. Y'all have changed.
How many followers does she have?
40 something.
I know.
No, she's cool, but I think the one thing I also like about her, she's mad cool people.
Cheers.
I don't know. Okay,
I
guys.
know. Bali.
Alright, Benzie put a handle out here. Go out there, follow her.
Yeah,
Volume
what's up?
Keys here. Hottie of the Week. Episode
60, the big 60. I don't know if we're gonna decide.
Are we back next week?
We'll decide. I mean,
60 plus.
we'll see.
Coming up next week.
Shout out Durban though.
Actually, no. Can I tell you guys? The honest truth is, right? We're not really on production break, but we want to be on production break, right? But want to get someone to be a guest.
Once we get them, then
Once
we'll
they
go for
get-
action. So it might be next week. We're gonna shoot episode 61
Yeah.
with this guest who's
Yeah.
giving us the runaround,
And then-
go on production break.
After the credits, we'll tell you the guest is going to be.
Yeah.
After the credits.
After the
You'll know who
credits.
it is.
So-
We'll give you a hint.
Nenzi,
Roll the credits this year, and I know you see me put my all in it. Can't compare me to no commoner. Take a look at where we started it. You wouldn't travel a kilometer. Back when I was just anonymous, nobody booking and nobody calling us. All we got was empty promises. Started thinking something wrong with us, but you'll get your shot when it's time, son. Nobody blocking your shine, son.
Go.
Do you want to touch my blood?
Fela in Versace.
I love it.
Come feeling like the baddest.
Hey, every time you see that down in me, sit down.
My great boys, what's up? See you next week.
That's the guest we're trying to get. Once he confirms, I'll be rolling down.
Downing emojis, baby, you have my temptation. It's a nice song.
Oh my god.
Go and get it right when you're busy bitching all the time, huh? That's the shit we don't like.